The iPhone 16 Pro Max is the newest, largest, and proest iPhone you can buy today. But last year's iPhone 15 Pro Max remains a capable phone. So deciding if you need to upgrade, or if you might be better off buying the older model, isn't as straightforward as it seems. We loved the iPhone 15 Pro Max when it first launched, thanks to its altered design with a titanium frame and action button control, the most powerful zoom camera on an iPhone to date, and brilliant performance and power efficiency. But now, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has arrived to change things up with a bigger screen, a fresh camera control button, upgraded photo and video abilities, and the expected annual upgrades to the chipset and battery. A bigger screen than ever. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is already pretty large at 6.7 inches, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max is even larger at 6.9 inches. Both screens are still OLED units with Apple's signature dynamic island cutouts near the top for the Face ID and front camera module, a 120Hz maximum refresh rate, and have a maximum listed brightness of 2000 nits. But we'll be doing our own testing to see how bright and colourful the iPhone 16 Pro Max's screen really is. A brand new button. More power across the board. Apple upgraded the A17 Pro chipset in the iPhone 15 Pro Max for an A18 Pro in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The upgraded silicon brings with it more power and greater efficiency across the board. Particular areas of focus for Apple were its improved AI abilities, faster image processing with the camera, and speedier graphics. Big camera enhancements. Apple has changed out the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 48-megapixel main camera sensor for an upgraded version in the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has unlocked 4K at 120 frames per second video recording for sharp but smooth clips. The ultra-wide camera, meanwhile, has ditched the 12-megapixel sensor seen in the 15 Pro Max and older iPhones, and is now a 48-megapixel resolution camera too on the 16 Pro Max. There have been no changes to the selfie or 5x telephoto cameras, but adding up the two cameras that have changed and the camera control means there are still a number of differences between these two generations of Pro Max.